this is your project. So you are asking Python data mining using machine learning. So this is your project. So completed I studied in your project. So this is a Twitter analysis of data analysis. So as your terms and conditions I applied in your project. So what do you want? So mainly you focus these things: so data collection and clustering and classification, data and decision tree, and another sentimental analysis, and k means clustering. So this type of thing we cover all things. So historical clustering also completed, everything is completed. I promise to you everything is completed. So if you want you can go and check it. Okay, so this is your data, everything I explained, and everything is working and running. Okay, if you get any error, please installation properly. Okay, Python is high level programming language, so it is main thing is libraries is most important, and also values also most important. So everything I completed. So like this way of workshop 5, workshop 4, workshop 3, workshop 3 2, this thing I completed. Okay, everything is working and running. Okay, I will show in the how to execution of the process, and also how to open the project. Okay, if you want you can open any editor like Python, uh, Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, and Google Collaborator, and Vim, any editor. Okay, so my convenience, your requirement is Jupyter Notebook you are asking, so that's why I use it. Okay, this is a Jupyter Notebook. If you get if you have any doubts about in this project, please check it. Okay, so it is showing always Jupyter Notebook. Please check it here. It is indicating right. Okay, so don't worry, everything is working. I will show the output how to execution of this project in front of you. Okay, right. So coming to installation process, first we have to go to the installation process. First we have to install the something like Anaconda. I'm using the Anaconda. Okay, so this is the Anaconda navigator process. So you have to download the 32-bit or 64-bit. So your system requirement either Windows or Mac or Linux. So in my system requirement Windows support is 64-bit. So it is execution. Okay, everything is installation. After the completion of open, just open Jupyter. Okay, just open the Jupyter. So in my system already open everything, so that's why I am showing right. So please open the Jupyter Notebook. After that you can get the this type of thing. Okay, once you get the this thing, come to this way. This is your project, this is your uh, database. So we have to import everything. So this is the most important package. Without package we can't get the single piece of data. Okay, package means flow of execution of everything step by step. It is interpreter. Okay, so interpreter means step by step process. If you get any error it will be indicated like. Okay, so now I am executing the overall. So first I have to import the some package, after that execution. So it is execution. Yes, this is their data. So everything I commented on execution, it is execution, there is no error. Okay, okay, everything is working in front of you. Okay, if you get any error please go and check it Google. Like I think if you installation some process like packages and some editors, everything. Okay, so everything is running. Okay, if you have any error please go and check it. Okay, yes, everything is completed. So everything is not possible to run at a time, so it is main drawback over thing. Okay, so in front of you and downloading the file. So that is a Jupyter Notebook or Markdown, everything whatever it may be, but our main requirement is python.py file and also notebook and Markdown. Okay, it is showing the Jupyter Notebook or impy. Okay, don't worry, I'm sending the two things. You have to go and check it. Okay, if you get any problem. Okay, is directly sending the zip file. Okay, don't worry. So this is the overview of a project. So coming to our project, so this is the main, we're asking some instructions like how to the output education and how to draw the how to run the program. So clustering and process and representatives you are asking, and also informatic process and algorithms. So we mainly focus on the algorithms depend upon the project. So data gathering and future mm, engineering transformation, model building, these type of thing you are asking. So definitely I completed everything what your requirement. So here is a machine learning and Twitter analysis, social media data. Okay, so the main focus on the five concept, five tasks: data collection, classification, Twitter sentimental analysis, and k-means clustering, historical clustering. Everything is completed. So I hope you are happy this project. So it is a nice project about a social media project like Twitter analysis, how the data is processing, how the data is storage, everything is working. Okay. So thank you. I hope you are understanding very well about this project. So if you get any error in this project, please feel contact to me or go and search it. It is better for an idea. So you will get some knowledge about through the outside. Okay. Thank you so much.